Let's continue with the third questions. It asks us to calculate the perimeter of the shape A, V, B, C, D, and A. So in order to calculate the perimeter, we need to know each length, right? And we know that AV already, VB already, BC already, and DA already because this have been provided. They have been provided by from the problem statement. What about the CD? This is an arc. So just review a little bit. How can we calculate the length of an arc? Just imagine if we have a circle and M here is the center of the circle here. We can see that if we travel a whole circle, then the angle that is have been swept is 360 degrees, right? Back to the original point. And then the arc is the perimeter of the whole circle, which is 2 pi r. And the area should be pi r squared. Very familiar, right, for the circle. What about if we just have an arc? For example, let me try to write it more straight like this. Then we have this one is like an angle. It is just an angle that has been swept. And we can see that if the angle is become greater, then the length will become greater, right? And also the area as well. And actually, the length and the area that will proportional to the angle, right? They have a direct proportionality relationship. So it means that the ratio should be on equal to each other, like the length over 2 pi r should be equal to the ratio between the angle and 360 degrees because they directly proportional to each other. The bigger the angle, the longer the length. And the same for the area as well. So thanks to this ratio, we can calculate the length of an arc. So in order to find the length, we just have this ratio times with this denominator, right, to find the numerator. So actually, what we need to do is we just have to identify the angle that will opposite, that will see, observe that arc, which is twice of the CMN, right? Because this is actually an isosceles triangle. So these two angles will be equal to each other, and each of them is about 26.6 degrees, so which means that the whole thing here should be twice of it. And then we just plug in with this equation formula that we have just discussed before, that we got the CD arc will be around 12.46 centimeter, and that's why we got a perimeter. Just plug in other values and it equals 56.5 centimeter. Okay, thank you, good luck.